Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Need to get these ATVs cleaned up. This one actually has a flat. It's been going down over a couple days and now it won't last for like 20 minutes or so. So you can fill it up and it'll leak out super fast. So I'm going to show you how to patch a tire. Should be fun and pretty simple, so let's go. This one's still good. Never had a leak on these tires in about 6 years I've had them. These are the Mass FX tires. You can check them out. I'll leave a link in the description for you if you're looking for a good all-terrain tire setup. These have lasted me a good long time. Here we go. Get it up off the ground and I'm going to try sliming it and see if that'll stop the leaking first. Remove the valve stem, get that out of the way. Then we're going to give it a couple pumps of slime in there. Gonna need more slime soon. I'm running out in this jug. Put your valve stem back in, and then I'm gonna rotate the tire around to get that slime around in there. Rotate the tire down so you have your hole at the bottom. Your slime should slide down to it. So we're gonna fill it back up. I think that's a bigger hole than slime's gonna patch. So I've got a tire patch kit and we're gonna try that on this tire and a whole bunch of rubber patches. So this is the reamer tool. You're gonna run that through the tire a couple times, get it cleaned out. Then I'm gonna grab a rubber patch stick. Just hook that onto the inserter tool thing. It's got a little hook on it. Just hooks on the hook and then you push that into the tire. It might work a little bit to get it in there, kind of force it in there. Should just yank the tool back and the patch should stay in there into the tire where the hole is. And then just cut it off with a knife, or I'm using just wire cutters here. It's really fast to do that. Alright, and then we're going to fill it up and see if this patch holds. Seems to be holding air. I'm going to get it up to my pressure here. I like to run between 7-8 psi in all the tires. Seems to be holding. Alright, got a patch in there. Put slime in, but that hole was just too big, but got a patch in there now. So now I don't hear any more hissing. It's holding air. Seems to be good. That is a quick and easy way to patch any holes you may get in your tires. I'll leave a link to the patch kit for you guys in the description so you can throw one in your trail bag or storage box if you ever need one on the trail. It is a lifesaver in a pinch to keep you riding. If they're a smaller hole, most times you can just use the slime, but if they're anything bigger, then this patch kit will save your day and get you back out there on the trail. This one's got a couple others in it from thorns, but I think that was just the thorn that worked its way out. But definitely those work a little bit better for the bigger holes. So hope you enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Be sure to follow along, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna get this thing cleaned up now.